body of the truck was blasted to bare metal, and the frame was stripped down as well. The frame was then powder coated in a gloss gray, and the rest of the suspension components were either matched to the body color or powder coated to match the frame. Most body hardware was replaced with stainless steel, and the door, hood, and trunk hinges are all chrome. The body is very straight, and the paint itself was extensively color sanded and buffed to a high sheen. The bed is done in a classic oak and has multiple finish coats, giving it a big shine. All of the bed bolts are polished stainless, and the contrast between the wood and the high-quality paint finish is striking. All of the glass is new, and the wing windows have been eliminated for a cleaner look. All of the stainless trim is new and has a bright polish, and the chrome is all new as well. Upon reassembly, the truck has a new bushing set, all new rubber moldings, and all new door seals. The interior is finished in gray leather and Alcantara that complements the detailed frame nicely. The door panels are custom leather with Alcantara inserts, and the dash has been leather covered and has a double-stitched edge. The seat is a split bench with a center console and a storage compartment, and the roof is done in Alcantara as well. The truck also has a custom firewall cover to complement the rest of the custom interior. One peek under the dash and you'll find all new wiring and tubing from the air conditioning system. Speaking of the air conditioner, it is operated through the factory controls, and in the place of the radio is a retro sound radio. The billet steering wheel is hooked up to a chrome I Did It tilt column. The motor is the tried and true Chevy 350 that has been completely rebuilt. On top sits a Holley carb and Y-end intake. Sparks come from a MSD Pro billet distributor. On the front of the motor is a billet serpentine system with air conditioner by March. Keeping things cool is a high-capacity radiator with dual electric fans. The transmission is a Turbo 350, and the rear end is a 12-bolt posi unit with 355 gearing. The truck rolls on 20-inch billet wheels with two 75/40/20 Bridgestone Potenza tires. The motor has smooth and reliable power, complemented by a nice rumble from the jet hot-coated exhaust system. For a show-quality truck that you can really get out and drive, this 1972 C10 is the cat's whiskers.